In the vast world of financial markets, where fortunes are made and lost in the blink of an eye, there exists a profound need for a guiding light, a steady hand to navigate the intricacies of Forex, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. The treacherous terrain of these markets, akin to a dense jungle teeming with hidden opportunities and lurking dangers, often leaves newcomers bewildered and vulnerable. Welcome to a groundbreaking journey, carefully curated by a seasoned trader with over 17 years of experience, Dan Burkett. In navigating the financial jungle, I invite you to embark on a remarkable expedition where we will chart a course through this complex labyrinth of finance, demystifying the world of trading. With a wealth of experience, insights, and an unshakable commitment to your success, I am uniquely positioned to be your guide through these dynamic and ever-evolving markets. This book is not just a collection of theories and abstract concepts. It's a practical roadmap designed to empower you, the novice trader. Whether you're seeking financial independence, looking to diversify your investments, or simply curious about the opportunities that Forex, stocks, and cryptos present, this book has been meticulously crafted to provide you with the knowledge and strategies needed to thrive in the world of trading. Throughout the pages that follow, we will traverse the very fundamentals of trading, unraveling the intricacies of Forex, stocks, and cryptocurrencies in a clear, concise, and approachable manner. With a structured and logical approach, you will gain the confidence needed to make informed decisions and manage risks effectively. This is not a book written by a mere observer, but by a practitioner who has honed their skills in the trenches of the financial markets. Navigating the financial jungle is your ultimate passport to success, guiding you through the dense underbrush of trading, imparting wisdom and strategies that have withstood the test of time. Prepare to be captivated, enlightened, and inspired as you delve into the world of trading with a seasoned professional by your side. Your journey begins here, and I am excited to be your trusted companion on the path to financial mastery. Let us embark on this incredible voyage together as we chart a course towards success in the world of Forex, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. Welcome to the financial jungle. Dan Burkett. Introduction. Setting the stage for trading. Welcome to the exciting world of trading. Whether you're intrigued by the idea of trading foreign currencies, stocks, or cryptocurrencies, this book is your gateway to understanding and navigating the financial markets. In this introductory chapter, we will set the stage for your trading journey by defining what trading is, emphasizing its significance, highlighting the potential for profit and risk, and giving you a preview of what this book has to offer. Defining trading and its significance. Trading, at its core, is the act of buying and selling financial assets, such as currencies, stocks, or cryptocurrencies with the aim of making a profit. It's a fundamental component of the global economy, facilitating the flow of capital and contributing to price discovery in various markets. Trading is not limited to financial institutions. Individuals like you can actively participate in this dynamic field. The significance of trading cannot be understated. It plays a vital role in ensuring liquidity and efficiency in financial markets, which in turn aids in capital allocation for businesses and governments. As a trader, you become an integral part of this process, potentially capitalizing on price movements to achieve your financial goals, emphasizing the potential for profit and risk. Trading offers the potential for significant profit, which is a major draw for many individuals. Successful traders can generate income by identifying market opportunities, and in some cases, they even make a living from their trading activities. However, it's crucial to understand that where there is the potential for profit, there is also the potential for risk. Trading carries inherent risks, and the possibility of financial loss is very real. Market volatility, unexpected events, and even personal decision-making can all impact your trading results. It's essential to approach trading with a balanced perspective, recognizing that risk management and education are critical components of long-term success, motivating readers to embark on their trading journey. So, why should you embark on a trading journey? The answer is simple: the potential for financial independence. the excitement of making informed decisions, and the opportunity to constantly learn and adapt. Trading can be a deeply rewarding pursuit for those who are willing to put in the effort, acquire knowledge, and develop the right mindset. It's important to remember that trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires dedication, continuous learning, and a commitment to your goals. If you are motivated to learn, improve, and manage risks, trading can be a fascinating and potentially lucrative endeavor. Preview of the book's structure. To guide you through your trading journey, this book has been meticulously structured to provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to become a successful trader. Here's a brief overview of what you can expect in the upcoming chapters. Chapter 1. Understanding financial markets. Chapter 2. Setting up your trading account. Chapter 3. Fundamentals of market analysis. Chapter 4. Risk management and capital preservation. Chapter 5. Trading strategies. Chapter 6. Trading psychology. Chapter 7. Trading in Forex. Chapter 8. Trading stocks. Chapter 9. Trading cryptocurrencies. Chapter 10. Building a trading plan. Chapter 11. Record keeping and performance evaluation. Chapter 12. Trading regulations and taxes. Each chapter delves into specific aspects of trading, providing you with a well-rounded education to help you succeed. We encourage you to read each chapter in sequence for a comprehensive understanding of the trading world. So, are you ready to begin your trading journey? Let's dive into Chapter 1 and explore the fascinating world of financial markets.